Hi, I'm Sam from Federal Brace, here to show you our classic floating shelf system. The floating shelf systems are available in several lengths and come 10 inches deep. They include the mounting bracket and have a 100-pound carry capacity. They are available in white veneer, coffee veneer, satin silver veneer, stainless steel, or raw maple. Let's go take a look at how to install one. Thank you for watching this video on our classic floating shelf system. For more product information and innovations from Federal Brace, subscribe to our channel. We will see you next time.